All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to All English Podcast, the place where English stops being stressful and starts making sense.
And the place where we talk about situations that make English learners say, I know English, but not this English.
Exactly. Today's topic is one of the most challenging situations for English learners.
Let me guess. Phone calls?
Yes, English on the phone.
Oh no. No face, no gestures, just a voice. In panic.
You're not alone. Many people speak English well in person, but the moment the phone rings, confidence disappears.
My brain needs subtitles when I'm on the phone.
Good news! Phone call English follows patterns. Once you know them, phone calls become much easier. Let's start with a very real moment. Your phone rings.
I already feel stressed.
You answer and you say, "Hello?"
Sometimes I don't even know what to say after that.
That's okay. You can start very simply. You can say, "Hello, this is Tom speaking." Or, "Hello, Tom speaking."
Short and clear.
Exactly. If you're calling someone, you can say, "Hello, this is Tom. I'm calling about," or "I'm calling to ask about."
So I don't need long sentences.
Never. Short sentences are perfect on the phone.
What if I don't hear the other person clearly?
Very important question. On the phone, this happens all the time. You can politely say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Or, "I'm sorry, the line is not very clear."
I usually just say what?
That works with friends, not so much at work. Politeness matters on phone calls. Let's talk about introductions. The other person might say, "Hello, this is Sarah from a BC company."
And then I panic again.
You can answer calmly, "Hi, Sarah, this is Tom." Or, "Nice to speak with you."
That sounds very professional.
It is, and very easy.
What about putting someone on hold?
Great topic. You might hear, "Could you hold on for a moment, please?"
And I should say,
Sure. Or, "No problem." If you need time, you can say, "Could you hold on for a moment, please?" Sometimes, the person you want is not available.
yes, that happens a lot.
You might hear, "He's not available right now." Or, "She's in a meeting." You can respond, "That's okay." Or, "Could I leave a message, please?"
Simple and polite again.
Now, let's talk about messages. If you leave a message, say, "Hello, this is Tom. I'm calling about my appointment. Please call me back. My number is..."
Clear and organized.
Exactly. On the phone, clarity is everything.
What if I don't understand the accent?
Very common. You can say, "Sorry, could you speak a little more slowly?" Or, "I'm still learning English."
That actually helps.
Yes, most people become more patient immediately. Let's do a short role play.
Okay, I'm ready. Hello, this is Tom. I'm calling to ask about my order.
Of course, could you hold on for a moment, please?
Sure.
Thank you for waiting. How can I help you?
I wanted to check the delivery date.
Perfect. Natural. Clear.
No panic this time.
Before we finish, here's something very important. You don't need to understand every word on the phone. You need to understand the purpose.
That changes everything.
And remember, it's okay to ask people to repeat. It's okay to speak slowly. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. That's it for today's episode of All English Podcast.
I feel much more confident about phone calls now.
And that's exactly why we're here, to help you use English in real life. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing. Don't be afraid of phone calls. And we'll see you in the next episode.